Let's face it, losing weight after 50 can feel like an uphill battle. You're not alone in this journey. I've been there, and I've seen countless others struggle with the same frustrating weight gain. It can be disheartening. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? There is hope and a way forward. What if there was a simple, effective way to regain control of your health and your weight? Imagine the possibilities. I'm here to tell you there is. You can take charge of your health. By eliminating sugar and flour from your diet, you can unlock incredible changes in your body and mind. It's transformative. And the best part? It's not about deprivation or complicated diets. It's about balance and nourishment. It's about making sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle, changes that you can stick with. In this video, I'll guide you through a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to weight loss after 50, based on cutting out sugar and flour. It's easier than you think. Get ready to discover the power of this transformative lifestyle shift. It's time to take action. We'll explore practical steps, address common challenges, and highlight the incredible benefits you can expect. You'll be amazed at the results. Are you ready to feel lighter, more energized, and healthier than you have in years? Let's dive in and make this change together. As we age, our bodies change. Metabolism slows down, hormone levels fluctuate, and we become more susceptible to weight gain, particularly around the midsection. But here's the often overlooked culprit: sugar and refined flour. These seemingly harmless ingredients wreak havoc on our bodies, especially after 50. They spike blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes, increased fat storage, and inflammation. They fuel cravings, making healthy eating a constant battle. Hormonal shifts during this stage of life further exacerbate the problem. Insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar, can become less effective, making it even harder to manage weight and maintain stable energy levels. By eliminating sugar and flour, you break free from this vicious cycle. You stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and create an environment where your body can finally start shedding those stubborn pounds. It's about giving your body the support it needs to thrive, not just survive. Taking the first step towards a happier, healthier you starts with understanding what to eliminate from your diet. This foundational step is crucial for long-term success. Don't be intimidated by complicated diet plans. They often overcomplicate what should be a straightforward process. Focus on removing these two major culprits that can sabotage your health goals. Sugar. This includes obvious sources like sugary drinks, desserts, and candy, which are often the first things people think of, but also hidden sugars in processed foods, sauces, and condiments. Read labels carefully to spot these hidden sugars: refined flour, white bread, pasta, pastries, and most processed snacks are made from refined flour, which lacks essential nutrients and acts very similarly to sugar in your body, causing spikes in blood sugar levels. Now let's fill your plate with nourishing, whole foods that support your weight loss journey and overall well-being. Vegetables. Embrace a rainbow of colors: leafy greens, quinoa, avocados, tomatoes, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These should be the cornerstone of your diet. Lean protein. Chicken, wild-caught fish, grass-fed beef, and heritage pork provide essential amino acids to maintain muscle mass and keep you feeling full and satisfied. They are vital for muscle repair and growth. Healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil provide energy, support hormone production, and enhance flavor. These fats are crucial for brain health and satiety. Complex carbs. Opt for small portions of whole grains like quinoa and white sweet potatoes for sustained energy. These carbs release energy slowly, keeping you fueled throughout the day. Planning your meals in advance is key to staying on track. It helps you make intentional choices and avoid last-minute unhealthy options. Prepare healthy snacks and meals to avoid impulsive, unhealthy choices when hunger strikes. Having nutritious options readily available is a game changer. Remember, this is about making sustainable changes, not about deprivation. Enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Winning the craving game. Let's confront the undeniable truth: cravings. Sugar, especially, can be highly addictive, and those cravings can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, there are ways to manage them effectively and break free from their grip. First, understand that cravings are often a sign of an imbalance in your body. When you nourish your body with nutrient-dense foods, those cravings will naturally diminish over time. In the meantime, here are some strategies to combat those sugar urges. Opt for small amounts of natural sweeteners like stevia, erythritol, or monk fruit to satisfy your sweet tooth without the blood sugar spike. Reach for fruit, dates, or a small square of dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, to satisfy cravings in a healthier way. Often, we mistake thirst for hunger or cravings. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Remember, cravings are temporary. Acknowledge them, address the underlying need, and move on. You've got this. Building new habits for lasting change. Change can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Building new habits is key to making this lifestyle shift sustainable and enjoyable. Here are some strategies to set yourself up for success. Don't try to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Begin with small, manageable changes, like swapping sugary drinks for water. Replace white bread with whole wheat options. Keep a food journal, or use a tracking app to monitor your food choices. Identify potential areas for improvement. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Treat yourself to a massage, a new book, a fun activity to stay motivated. Involving your friends and family can provide invaluable support and accountability. Share your goals. Invite them to join you on this journey. Celebrate your achievements together. Remember, you're not alone in this. The power of consistency. Your body's transformation. Consistency is key to unlocking the transformative benefits of a no-sugar, no-flour lifestyle. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. As you consistently make healthier choices, your body will respond in remarkable ways. You'll notice improvements in your overall well-being and vitality. You'll start to shed those stubborn pounds, particularly around your midsection, where fat tends to accumulate due to poor dietary habits. But it's not just about the number on the scale. It's about feeling lighter, more energetic, and more confident in your own skin. This newfound confidence can positively impact all areas of your life. Soon, you'll reduce inflammation, leading to improved joint health, reduced pain, and overall better health. You'll find it easier to move and stay active. These are just a few of the incredible benefits you can expect. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Each person's journey is unique, but the underlying principle remains the same. Nourish your body with real, whole foods and watch it thrive. Embrace the transformation and enjoy the process. The no sugar, no flour approach is a simple and effective way to achieve weight loss after 50. We invite you to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and science-based strategies for a healthier, happier you after 50. Stay tuned for our next video on healthy eating habits and further weight loss tips. Eat well, live well.